all over my face. I just said hello to those people too. That's so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Okay, well. Oh, you guys can see right down there. Okay. We're at the beach. Nothing wrong with a little sand on our face. How's everyone doing? I missed comments, huh? I'm sorry. Let me see. Hello. I don't know if you guys, oh, thank you for the follow. I don't know if you guys are even still in here. Are we doing yoga or playing? We're doing yoga. Thank you for the follow. Yoga is meant to be slow movements, guys. I'm fine. Thanks for the follow. Okay. The tide's not going to come in right now. It's certain times of the day, so that was not a problem. The comments are, okay. Okay, I'm just scrolling through like all of the old comments. That was interesting. All right, so how's everyone doing today? We were just doing yoga on the beach during the sunrise. You couldn't really see the sunrise today. It's quite cloudy, but still beautiful. Still very, very, very beautiful. Let's visit the ocean, shall we? Oh my God, it feels great. It does not even like, it's the perfect temperature. It's not too warm, but it's not freezing. Sorry, I had to block people. Okay. Let me turn you around so you can see. Here it is 6:48 in the morning. Sunrise was around 6:30. It's supposed to be cloudy all week, so I'm really hoping that maybe we get a sunrise that just one sunrise that doesn't have clouds blocking the bottom. I love to see the sun literally come up out of the earth. It's so beautiful. Let me turn you around so you can see the ocean. Bear with me. Okay. Can let the waves come up to us. Hold on. Thank you for the likes. I appreciate it. Thanks for the share. the shares and likes, guys. I appreciate it. I'm not sure, honestly, what we'll be doing today. I don't know. We'll probably just stay on the beach. I mean, it's supposed to rain, but beach weather is really typically never exactly how it's said it's gonna be. Good morning, RJ, how are you? Doing well today. Doing well. How are you guys doing today? We'll probably collect seashells. I just found one with a hole at the top. I love these because I can make them into like necklaces or earrings easily without having to put a hole in the shell myself. Thanks for the follow. The water feels amazing. Oh my gosh. It's the perfect temperature for swimming. It's just slightly cool. Slightly. I'll definitely probably be going for, that's funny. I will probably be going for a swim after this in the pool. Wow, that looks so beautiful. The bird that had sauerkraut, it passed away about a day and a half after that video. Unfortunately, I just was not able to save her. It was too late. A lot of times with sauerkraut, when they start showing signs of it, it's pretty far already. We tried, but we just couldn't save her, unfortunately. There's tiny little fish swimming around. Let's see if we can spot them. Do you guys see them? They're super quick. Let's see if they come around again. They're out there. Let's see if I can spot them. Oh, there's too many waves. Thank you. I was really hoping she was going to pull through because she spent an entire day pretty much fine. It wasn't until the evening that I noticed she was starting to look lethargic again, like she wasn't feeling well. And then she passed away. So happens. Now I don't see the little fish. I'm sure they're around here somewhere. Look at that now. Wow. That is so pretty. Oh, I love that so much. That would be such a beautiful painting. Alright, y'all. I think I'm going to hop off now. I'm gonna go back up, have a swim, then my kids will probably be awake after that, so we'll get the day started. For them, day has started for me. There are these really cool, there's tons of them, snail shells. I like walking on these. I like the way it feels on my feet. I don't know if anyone can relate to that, but I love it. Love it. Okay. Let me show you those shells. Oh, I really like this one too. That's so pretty. Orange is my favorite color, so. And it's shiny. We're gonna keep that. Okay. Okay. Like these. They're everywhere, these little snail shells. Everywhere. And they're perfectly intact. You can't always find them intact like that. I'm looking, I want to find the bigger ones. Sometimes I can get lucky and find bigger shells. And I might be able to because they dug all of this up for the storms. So it's possible. This one's bigger. It's possible I might find some good ones in here. Oh, this one's bigger. This one has a little texture on it. There are so many. If you look closely, these little snail shells, they're literally, there's gotta be thousands. They're everywhere. Not exaggerating. Oh my gosh! Look at this! This is baby sea turtles! I was hoping, look at this! This is baby sea turtles! I was hoping we'd find them like 3 a.m. Sometimes you can see their cute little tracks. You can see where they dug out, but you can see their, this is probably old. This is probably not from this morning, but you can see their cute little flipper tracks in the sand. Last year, it was the cutest thing. In the morning when I would come out to do yoga, there would be sea turtle tracks all over the sand, leading all the way out to the ocean. It was the coolest thing. I'm so happy to see we've got a sea turtle hole. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Where there's one, there's more. I might be able, maybe one of these nights I'm gonna have to come out early and see if I can watch any baby sea turtles hatch. It's the only hole I'm seeing right now. Look at this. Look at this. Is this fully intact? I think it is. Look at that. That's bigger size. That's good. Yay. I think we're definitely going to be able to find some good shells. Anyway, sea turtle holes. I don't see any more right now, but I'm sure if I walk up and down the beach, I will find more. Unless if they just haven't hatched yet. That is is so cool. It's broken. Sometimes I collect the broken ones, but it has to be like really special. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. All right, I'm heading up. Thanks for doing yoga with me. We're watching the live and, ooh, okay, so like this, for example, this is a broken shell. It's not even close to being full, but I'm gonna take it. Look how pretty. It's got purples, browns, whites, creams, a little bit of orange in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're definitely picking that one up. All right. I don't see any more. This is the problem. I get distracted. I'm like, I'm gonna go back up to my place, and then I see shells. And then it ends up being another 30, 45 minutes before I head in. So we're gonna call it. There's plenty of time to find more shells. I am at the beach. They're everywhere. Oh, that's not good. Is it just a weight, or is it a hook as well? Let's take this out. That's not good. We'll throw that away. Take that up with us. I don't want that washing out to the ocean in case if the tide comes up. All right, y'all. I'll see you. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys have a great day today and do whatever makes you happy. As long as it's a good thing. Bye, guys.